This video I am going to show you how to save a post on the reddit.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website on your device. After that, you should select the subreddit and then the post that you would like to save. All you have to do is tapping on this save button below the picture or the post, and as you can see, your posts have been saved successfully, or has been saved successfully. If you want to check it out, tap on your username at the top of the screen in the right side and click on profile, which is the second option. Then click on the saved button below the search bar, and here you can find your saved post. If you want to unsave it and remove it from this list, click on the unsave button and then it will be removed from this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.